Hello guys, and welcome back to my show. We are already here at the Lynn and Anthony's Life in the Philippines house. So she invited us with the Barbies, of course, and the vlogger.
Hello everyone.
And then
mega shout out.
We're going to meet Lynn. But Anthony is not here because he is in Boston. So I'm trying to speak English, everyone, even though I don't know how to speak English, so that everyone could understand me. Thank you. This is my house. It's not my home. No joke. This is the house of Miss Lynn. We are here already. Yes. Hello. Thank you so much.
Because the RR is...
So this is the house of Lynn and Anthony Life in the Philippines. As you see, this is beautiful. We are still waiting for her because she went to the town. I think she is in the market. Wow, this place is very amazing. So at last, I'm here already. Wow, it's very nice. It's a very nice place. It's very a relaxing place. Wow, look at that. It's very amazing. Very nice. Waiting for Len because she went to the town, so we will just sit for a while here. And the place is very nice. Look at that. See? And the wind is very cold. Look at. Yes. This is a lovely place. Here now. They are here now. Hello, Kyla. Kyla is there. Look at Kyla. She is with the cake.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. And that's the beautiful lady on earth. Hello, Miss Lynn. And the baby Tia. Hello, baby Tia. Give me a smile. Hello, baby. So this is now. I'm going to close the gate. I'm going to close the gate, but I don't know how to. Maybe here. Because in the house we don't have gate like this. So we're going back there. So this is now the Sisterakas, Sandy, and then of course Miss Lynn and Anthony Live in the Philippines.
Hi guys,
Hello. Ayan.
Mag-down na, sir. Dito sa second target.
Uy, apis, tapos na ito, mas banana.
Wala na lang nga, mag-buwan na lang ka kanang pageant pa lang kayo lagang tayo.
Oh, si
Yakel, mari dito sila kanunay kami. Wow! Vloggers coming! So yes, charot. Diha may nakakuha og daghang subscribers. Mabutan mga batawi, ganahan ko nila bisita kay dili sila kanang demanding. Bitawang-tawangin tayo mga small YouTuber. Ciao!
Guys, nandito na ako sa aming bahay. This is my home. Joke. No, this is not my home. Joke only. This is the house of Lynn and Anthony Life in the Philippines. So, I will tour you. I will tour you in the house. See? It's very nice. I love it so much.
I don't know what happened because my boob's like this. Sorry, I don't have boobs because I don't have money to buy.
Ma'am Lim, thank you so much for inviting us. The landfall is very, very useful, resourceful,
Grabe ka dyan sa English.
and also the background is color white and the fences are really black.
Yeah.
Wow!
Very essential.
We feel better.
Okay, kung nasa kita, check mo sa
We feel better because my boobs is stressed. Oh my God. Ayaw ko na tol.
Who's the boobs?
I don't know.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Give up. So, the life in the Philippines.
This is the beautiful ladies.
It's really beautiful.
Beautiful.
More beautiful. Beautiful.
Wait, you talk with
So, kanang bye, guys. Already 1 year old. 1 year old.
Wow. Len and Anthony's house is already is all.
So, Mom Len, going to show you their rooms here.
So this is the beautiful rooms in Len and Anthony's house.
It's dirty ka. It's dirty ka. Room bata.
So everyone who are watching right now, if you book, wait, it's very cold.
Pinanay.
We will put the chinelas outside because it's not. It's
Wow, it's so cold.
it's very
So cold.
It's
My God.
nice.
It's really nice here to
I
relax.
like it so much.
You know what, guys?
And I will tell like this. I will tell like the bongbong.
Here to relax, to meditate, at to unwind yourselves. Kasi ang lamig kasi dito.
Oh, this house is very nice.
Actually, guys, the house is really white.
So this is the TV. I bought it. I bought it in the ICM in the rooftop.
Yes.
There's butik. So that's Sisteracas Barbies and of course Sandy Bicada Vlog. Please subscribe.
Don't
forget to subscribe our
Don't
YouTube
worry,
channel,
guys.
Sisteracas
When you go here and
Barbies.
visit my house is very, very rich because our ceiling fan is a butterfly wings. Look at that, huh? And also the lampshade is in the side by side of the bedroom. It's very basta
Expensive also. Mo man di aram bugnaw kay grabe mahal ang hirap ko. Mahal ang hirap ko naman na. Wait, tingog agkuan ba pero alami ano?
and also the
Di ba bunggacious? So what can you say about the house of Lynn and Anthony Lai?
God, it's so nice here. I hope I will tulog here tonight.
I bought this in Korea. Please, my God.
Subscribe Cindy Bicada Vlog.
Yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Cindy Bicada Vlog.
this is also the
There.
yes.
Looking for.
Bebe, come here.
Come inside. It's nothing.
So that's the kids' villa. That's the family villa. For now, guys, our pugaw. Wala may kapang
Please later.
Wow, look at that. The flower is blooming because it's summering here in the Philippines. And it's summering, but the raining is showering also, so that's why.
Functional rooms. This is also the
mga bata. Huwag hapon
So this is the second house. So everyone who wanna come here or you wanna come here in this place, and of course
oh my God.
it's a very nice place.
Wow, pretty.
Baka tubo pa yan. Kainit.
Okay lang. So guys, pwede na tayo na mag-display. Yeah.
Wow, I love the toilet so much. The toilet it's glass.
It's okay lang yun guys. O mag-
Sa kids, sa mga bata, ma'am.
Huy, arkabungga. Huy, arkabungga ang toilet kay glass. Laban ka?
The ceiling fan also is a butterfly wings.
Butterfly and Mariah Carey. Day hawiri, ka mahog, day.
Wow, and also the CR is
Sige na.
Day hawiri, day, ka mahog, day.
Nini, tagpuan mo na. Tuloy ka anak ganito sa Dio.
Uy, dara ko na kitagtutoy na tagak. Dali, aki mahog, dari, babanda dyan.
Kaya, come here na.
Kyla.
Come here.
Come here, baby.
Kaya. Come on, te.
Hello, first time. Oh my God. Hindi na ako magawas, baby. I don't want to go out na mga kawang 50. I don't want to go out because it's really nice here, you know. It's
Kung ano yung
Agi touch, ninaog.
Ang you touch, babe.
Uy, nanay.
Dahan-dahan mo kayo. Pwede ni mabusutin dyan. Yun yung size niya eh. Kung medyo anak yung hubak, pag anabuti ang buha, mawa ang hubak, tigbat yung anak.
Oh, pag Venus Rawi, ang beauty.
Uy, nindot ka sa hagda na.
Pang-papadyan naman.
Agitos. Dali
Pak, split.
Uy, nanay, agitos.
Touch, you touch.
Agitos, matukoto.
Uy, ganun tutot siya. Naan naman terus hawak ng tutot.
Stress, stress on your touch. That is okay.